definitely getting me one. Ha 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 ha. This is the bullets right here? Lead beads hydrate 4 hours before play. I don't got 4 hours, DC. Yeah, I'm definitely getting one of them. Ooh. You want one of these? I think I'm gonna do a handgun too. Well, we got kicked out of Walmart. I got 2 heaters. They already on charge mode. I'm actually in the bathroom trying to get my ammo together right now.
What's going on? Oh no!
Let's go. It's about to go, yay.
Let's do it.
Come on, gang. Come on, gang. Pimp down, 11:30. Pimp in distress. What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. I want to thank everybody out there for tuning in today. You guys seen them things yesterday where we was actually sliding around the Florida Classic and them joints, man. You know, nothing has stopped. The only thing that stopped was the sunny weather, and now we got like cloudy skies and like rain and all that, man. But furthermore, man, we're gonna get this show on the road, man. I can't wait. You guys know we are staying at the SSG mansion right now, man, and the homie Corey came in last night with the water gun / Nerf gun and everything and just sprayed the crowd, man. So you know, we about to go to Walmart right now and then take him down. It is game time. He think we're about to go somewhere else, man. You guys know what time it is. We wildin' and styling on the regular, man. But I can't wait, man. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate you guys tuning in, man. We about to hop in the Sprinter, head over to Walmart right now, and then pretty much it's war on Corey, man. So we're gonna see what's up. We got gang in here getting in right now. We got gang in that bed right now. Gang in that bed right now. Y'all see what's going on? Yeah. DC in the cut? Yeah. Yeah, y'all see what's going on? All the oohs in the eyes. Yeah, sir. The affiliates.
Hey, hold up. Just squeeze up.
The affiliates.
Wait. Let me get my sweater. Don't send my shit, y'all.
Y'all see what's going on, man? We out here going on. You gonna get copyrighted, but y'all get a quick little one too when gang up in this motherfucker. Yes, sir, man. Y'all see what's going on, man? Gang is getting out of here, man. I'm telling you, it's a whole bunch of us. Whole bunch of us in that thing, man. A whole bunch of us wilding and styling on the record. Hey, man, you see me in the cut going up, going yay, man. I'm telling you, we about to go up in here, do our thug thizzle. That shit, beep, beep, beep. Move out the way, man. Move out the way, bro.
It's your boy Chris Gilly, worth the milli. Silly, take your girl to the telly, man. Intro, bro. That's my shit. Watch out.
There's a bunch of upcoming.
What's good? It's your boy Chris Gilly, worth the milli.
Man, everybody got a camera in their hand, man.
Everybody vlogging.
Hey, big YouTube, man. Y'all see what's going on? Big YouTube, man. Y'all see what it is, man. We out here going up. Oh, definitely getting me one. Ha 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 ha.
Yeah, I got it.
This is the bullets right here? We gotta let them soak. For how long? Dang, DC. We gotta get some gas so we can go yay, man.
Oh my God.
Gats or not, like, I'm strapped up. I'm definitely strapping up. You see, he came through empty-handed. Lead beads hydrate 4 hours before play. I don't got 4 hours, DC. Man, I don't got 4 hours, gang. We need some BB guns or something. I don't got 4 hours to sit, man. They gotta soak for 4 hours.
Yeah, no, 1 hour. While we gone, let it grow and come back.
Oh, we got them too. They got them over here on the next side.
They got on this side? I want the splat, though. The splat hurt worse.
Which one?
This one.
Okay.
That splat hurt.
Well, we still gotta get them so we can soak them anyway.
Yeah. I'm just saying, I know y'all seen this book. Which one you want into?
Ooh.
You want one of these?
Yeah, I'm definitely getting one of them. Yeah. I might even get 2. Get a handgun or something. I'm gonna get a handgun.
I ain't put at it, bro.
I think I'm gonna do a handgun too.
Bro, look, after we get cool, we all just need war, bro.
Oh yeah, it's for sure war. All right, so I'm gonna get the 7.62 with the big jumbo thing on it, and then I think I'm gonna get like a handgun or something, man. So we're gonna see what's good. We're gonna try to turn up, but we got gang anything. We got gang anything. All right, so I want the splatter ball, man. I'm gonna get the splatter. I already got one of those over there, man. This one.
Every day trying to go.
What we need a horn for?
Bro, it's time to wake up. Yo, you hear that? You better get close to your gun, nigga. You better go find it.
That's what that means?
That's what that means.
That means it's game time, huh?
Man, we're gonna
They said they was coming over yonder.
Yeah, I told them, come on. I need a gun.
Hey, them already wet?
Huh?
On me, I think they is. Easy pour. You ain't even gotta do none of these. This is what we need right
They
here.
already hydrated. Oh, they dehydrated. Damn. Them here. Oh, no.
No. Nah.
Those just wrong and dark.
Can I get I need one too. I need one of those too.
Okay, that's fine. You just take it out.
Yeah, but he said we good right here.
We gave it to you. Don't worry.
We're just trying to get some splatter balls. Mr. Sir, can I get one of those?
Yeah, I know. Hold on a minute. Let me get this one for you, and we'll take care of you, okay?
Well, we got kicked out of Walmart. We didn't even get to freaking buy our stuff. We didn't even get to get our stuff today, man. We was trying to come through like, we didn't even do nothing. Literally didn't even do nothing. Boosie, we didn't even do nothing, man.
But we got kicked out.
We didn't even do nothing. We came in here.
So freedom of speech, but we just got kicked.
All right, man. We didn't do anything. That's crazy.
We could have handled that, bro.
I was telling niggas to be quiet.
Yeah, that's all we had to do was be quiet.
Man, I just knew we was gonna be able to get some splatter balls and freaking all the water guns. Damn, so much for that, man. All right, man. So we finally found a freaking Walmart that'll let us get the joints, man. So we got the splatter balls. I got the drum on mine. V got the joint over there. It's time to go. Yeah. We already just activated our bullets and everything. Look. We didn't already activated our bullets,
That's how to
man.
plug it up, so them niggas ain't gonna know you gotta plug this bitch in.
Yeah. Okay, bet. I'm gonna get mine situated then before gang.
I guess one for the charger, one for the gun.
Oh yeah, we gonna put it together, man. Well, I'm gonna get mine situated before gang come out here, and we're gonna get this show on the road. I got two heaters. They already on charge mode. I'm actually in the bathroom trying to get my ammo together right now. So I already get the blue ones in there. You put them all. I put them all in here and got mine started on the way here, man. So we about to go up. Got these ready to go. We're gonna see. These supposed to soak up some water and be good to go. So we're gonna try it out, man. I'll tune back in with y'all in a second. Game time. Let's see who we got. Let's see what we got. Let's go. Let's go, nigga.
What's going on? Well, we're on the same team. We're on the same team. Hold up! Hold up!
Sup? Let's go. Retreat! I'm fucking dying. It's about to go, yay.
Let's do it.
Come on, gang.
Yeah.
Come on, gang. Pimp down, 1130. Pimp in distress. Oh, damn, my clip.
Hey, I got that. I got the gun. Huh?
I might have put. Told you, man. My shit upstairs.
Somebody in the door.
I gotta follow somebody.
I can't. They too strapped. Time. 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 It's up. Time.
Wait, damn, that shit hit my neck.
It's up.
Woo!
Bro. I ain't gonna even hold you. Right in the field though. It's up. Look. Oh, dying. It's up. That's funny. It's up. Woo. I don't even know where my gun at. Oh! We came out with heat. Damn, this house gonna need some cleaning in the morning. Now we cleaning up, gang. We done had a whole big war. Everything. Y'all see how the floor look, man. So we sweeping, getting the walls right. Y'all see what it is, man. Whole gang in here getting ready, man. Let y'all see it here first. We had a freaking ball. We had a freaking ball, man.
Hey, listen. Corey can't try us like that, man. We was deep. We too deep.
It's been up for sure.
We had the Glock.
It's up for sure.
We had the Glock.
So, alrighty, guys, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. You guys seen what happened today, man. We threw down, had a whole showdown in the house. Literally was like Warzone up in that joint, man. So if you guys enjoyed the Call of Duty style, man, please give your boy a thumbs up. Definitely appreciate it, man. Me and gang had fun out here in Orlando this weekend, but you know, all good things must come to an end, or at least must get changed to the next destination, man. You know what time it is, man. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate you guys tuning in, man. If you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win a More Life giveaway, man, you guys know we bringing more life to the community, man. So with that being said, we're giving away our 2022 Ford F-350 dually truck paired together for first place with our matching 2020 CVO Street Glide. Yes, man, the bike and the truck. The bike will be on back of that thing when you get that. That's just first place. We got second place, which is our 2021 Chevy Silverado paired together for second place as well with our 2020 Road Glide Reese's Pieces, the one and only with the 124 that's knocking everybody off from state to state, man. So not only do you get a truck and a bike for first place, you get a truck and a bike for second place, man. We got third place, which is our 2018 Road King with all the everything regular oohs and ahs on that joint. And for the first time ever, man, we got fourth place, which is our 2018 Road Glide with all the everything regular oohs and ahs as well, man. I can't wait. If you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win, man, now is the time to shine, because I could be coming to Yodo with one of these bikes, or you could be coming down to Houston picking up the truck and a bike, man, all just for supporting your boy Everything Regular, man. Everything is $75 on the site right now, man. So literally everything is half off, man. So if you guys want to shot at winning something great just for supporting your boy, man, head on over to everythingsregular.com right now. Go copy you any hat, any patch on the site, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. Meanwhile, man, like I said, we are still in Orlando, man, at the SSG mansion. Just had a freaking hell of a war up in there. It was like Call of Duty real life, but I'm actually about to get up in here, man. We got to clean up and all the above, man. So I can't wait. It was a hell of a day, man. Just chilled out and all that just because it was raining mostly. But for the most part, Florida Classic, it has been a movie, man. I appreciate you guys tuning in, man. If you haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. We are almost at 100,000 subscribers, man. So hit that subscribe button, man. It's free and easy to do. I definitely appreciate you, man. In the meantime, I will catch you guys on the next one, dog. Peace.